Hey guys, it's KingXF and welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to teach you how to make vegetable stew the URP-ian way. First, you want to cut the vegetables. You want to slice your celery diagonally. Make sure to slice off the base of the celery. Oh my god, look at that angle.
Fatality.
You also want to cut your carrots diagonally. Cut the cucumbers vertically. Well, this is what the cucumber looks like now. Rockery!
Bruh.
The apple is added for sweetening. And also, do not try this at home. It can get you injured very seriously. The number one rule is to cut the top of the cabbages off. This is the basket cabbage shot. This is the basket cabbage shot. Oh my!
Bruh.
Boy! Shot.
Hey, can I ask you something?
What? Ask the apple something. Hey, can I ask you something? Why are you so limp? Inertia is the property of matter. Use it to your advantage. Use acceleration due to gravity to your advantage.
Why can't you chop vegetables in the kitchen?
Chopping vegetables outside is 1, a holiday tradition, and 2, fun for the whole family.
Can I chop the vegetables in any order I want?
No, you have to chop them in the exact same order we did.
Can I still make the soup if I don't have some of the vegetables that you used?
I'm sorry, you cannot. Second, make the stew. These are the vegetables after we wash them. We're gonna chop them into smaller pieces. We've cut the vegetables. Now we're gonna rip the cabbages into smaller pieces. Meanwhile, start boiling a little bit of water on high. Now add a couple of teaspoons of salt. We're gonna add some more water later. Add a little bit of olive oil. Now, on medium to high heat, add the vegetables. Add water to the level of the vegetables. Boil on high, stir, and add some spices. Add some thyme and oregano, and celery salt, which is really celery seed and salt. Add a few bay leaves if you want for seasoning. Taste it to know if you need to add more salt. Boil until the vegetables are soft. And finally, enjoy your stew. I'm KingXF, and thank you for watching. Mmm.